In today's video, I'll be doing a review of the link chest by SEO Buddy. Now, the link chest is a collection of high quality, easy to win backlink opportunities. So essentially, it's a database of different types of backlinks in different niches, but it's also categorized by the type of backlinks. So as we can see here, for level 1, we have high DA profiles, we have social backlinks, you have directories, we have review sites, bookmarking, and URL shorteners. On level 2, we have local backlink opportunities. And on level 3, we have deal or coupon websites. Level 4, we have press releases, job boards, infographics, forums, file uploads. And on level 5, we have product launch and crowdfunding. So in total, there's over 2,000 backlink opportunities in which you can go ahead and take a look at and figure out what is the best backlink opportunity for your niche and your website. And this database is updated so you can be assured that you're getting the best quality backlink opportunities. And just before we continue the full review, if you wanted to go ahead and grab the lifetime deal for the link chest, I'll go ahead and leave a link below this video. Currently, it's $89 one-time purchase. So that'll give you lifetime access to the link chest database. And one license is for one project or domain. So if you wanted to go ahead and track your backlink opportunities for multiple domains, you can go ahead and stack your codes. Once you have a plan for the link chest, you'll only have access to this specific feature on SEO Buddy. Unless you have a full account or plan for SEO Buddy, then you'll have all of these features unlocked here on the left hand side. But this lifetime deal is only for the link chest database. So when you first get access to the link chest, you want to go ahead and take a look at all of the opportunities or backlinks that are available. So we're not going to go ahead and categorize it by the different types of backlinks as yet. Let's go ahead and take a look at what is currently available. On the left hand side, you'll be able to see the website name, what type of domain it is, the link type, so if it's a do follow or a no follow. You'll also be able to see if it's indexable or crawlable, and Alexa ranked, so this kind of tells you how authoritative that website is. You also have the DR available, and then you have some more info here. So if you go ahead and toggle over these specific icons, you can see the target market, the language, the server IP, and the server location. We can see the cost. And then we can also go ahead and take a look at the specialty. So this is going to be sort of the type of niche that's best for this specific backlink. And you can also mark if you went ahead and submitted your information to this specific website. So this is going to be great just for you to keep track of where you submitted your information and to go back and double check to see if that backlink has been submitted. When taking a look at various backlink opportunities, you want to go ahead and first check out the website. So you want to go ahead and take a look at the website to see if it's worthwhile putting your information on this website. Remember, the only way for you to really increase your domain authority is through getting high quality backlinks. So you want to keep an emphasis on high quality. You don't want to go ahead and put your information on any website because it's not really going to have any effect on your search engine rankings. So that's why this tool is really useful, because it helps you save a lot of time. You don't have to go ahead and try to find the best high quality and the easiest backlink opportunities. This tool puts all of that information into one place. So if you wanted to go ahead and see the steps that it takes to get your information onto that website, just go ahead and click the book icon. And if you go ahead and take a look at the steps here, it'll actually show you exactly what you need to do to get your website's backlink on that site. So this makes it very simple for you to follow this process. Or if you have a VA, it's very easy to train them on this process to go out and find these backlink opportunities and then go ahead and submit your information. If you wanted to, you can also further filter out these different types of backlinks. So if you wanted to just focus on high domain authority backlinks, go ahead and click that filter. And as you can see, now all of these websites here are going to be a little bit more higher in terms of their domain authority, which will allow you to increase your own domain authority faster if you went ahead and got a backlink on that website. So again, if you wanted to, you can go ahead and open up that website and you'd be able to just take a look at the site and just sort of see if it makes sense for your website. And if you wanted to see exactly how to get that backlink, go ahead and click the book icon once again, and it'll take you through the steps in which you need to follow to get a backlink from that site. And just repeat this process. So just go ahead and take a look at these different sites and figure out which one makes the most sense for your niche and for your website, and submit your information there to go ahead and get those backlinks. And if you wanted to further filter it down by your specific niche, you can go ahead towards the top of this database and you can choose the specific specialty for the websites in which you want to take a look at. So just go ahead and find your niche and you can filter down by your niche. You can also filter down by your location. So if you're in a different part of the world, you can go ahead and make those changes there. You can also filter by languages, and you can also filter by do follow or no follow links, UGC, sponsored or unknown. Or you can go ahead and filter by the type of backlink in which you're looking for. If you're specifically looking to do directory submissions, you can go ahead and filter by directory. Again, you can do review sites. We can do local specific backlink opportunities. You can also filter by press releases, communities, infographics, forums, article submissions, website builders, and so on and so forth. So you have a lot of options here and a lot of opportunities to find the perfect backlink for your website. Getting high quality backlinks can be a very tedious process. It can cost you a lot of time or money, but by utilizing this database, it really makes your life a lot easier because they've already done the heavy lifting to find the best opportunities for backlinks dependent on the type of backlinks and the niche in which you're in. So all you have to do is go ahead and then filter down based upon your own specific needs for your website, and then go ahead and get those backlinks. So if you're looking for a way to get high quality backlinks that saves time and is cost effective, I would definitely recommend going ahead and grabbing the lifetime deal for the Link Chest by SEO Buddy. It's especially useful if you're a smaller or new website and looking to increase your domain authority. You'll be able to have access to high quality, easy to win backlink opportunities and get those low hanging fruits and increase your domain authority very quickly. If you enjoyed this review and you learned something new, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, stay well.